How to change phone number on ShopPay. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your phone number on ShopPay. To do so, first of all, you'll need to open your ShopPay application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. If not, use your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. Here at the top right, you'll be able to see the profile icon. Tap on your profile icon. This will take you to a new page. Here adding address and phone number is not supported in my region, so I'm not able to add the phone number. But if it is available in your country, here you will be able to see Manage Phone Number or Edit Phone Number option. You simply need to tap on that option and then you will need to input your new phone number in the provided field. After that, you will need to verify your new phone number by entering the verification code sent via SMS. And after verification, ensure that you save all the changes to update your account information. You'll also need to make sure your new phone number is active and able to receive SMS messages for verification. And by following these steps, you can easily change your phone number on ShopPay. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.